So now let's look into server configuration. So this step concerns the configuration of virtual machines, such as configuration of hardening directories, disk mounting, network network configuration, fire network configuration, nothing but firewall, proxy, and so on, and middleware installation. So there are different configuration tools such as Ansible, PowerShell, DSC, Chef, Puppet, and Salt Stack. Of course, there are many more, but in this course, we will look at in detail the use of Ansible to configure a virtual machine and to optimize server provisioning and configuration times. It's also possible to create and use server models, also called images, so that contain all of the configuration, hardening, middleware, and so on of the server. So it will be during the provisioning of the server that we will indicate the template to use, and hence we will have in a few minutes a configured server ready to be used. So there are also many tools, IAC tools for creating server templates. One of them, such as Emulator used by Netflix, or HashiCorp Packer. So here is an example of Packer file code that creates an Ubuntu image with package updates. So you can see the Packer file. So we have a uh, Packer topic also in fourth part of this fourth module. So there we will use a Packer file live, and then here let's try to understand. So you'll have a builders are mentioned here, and so this script creates a template image for the standard DS2V2 virtual machine based on Ubuntu OS. So the builders section you can see on top here. So type Azure ARM, and then OS type you are going for the Linux and canonical. That means it's Ubuntu server, and then 16.04 LTS, not the latest one, and then VM site standard DS2V2, and location where you want to launch this in West Europe. So managed image name sample Ubuntu name. So additionally, a packer will update all packages during creation of the image with the apt-get. So here you can see provisioners execute command chmod. So all the permissions are given using chmod plus x, and after that you have path. Here you have two package management tools. Apt-get is one, apt-get update. So basically apt-get is the one that we are using here. So apt-get update command, and after this execution, packer deprovisions the image to delete all user information. So that you can see in the provisions section.